Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the 2025 upgrade iGarden Pool Cleaner K60, a cordless robotic pool vacuum designed to simplify pool maintenance and enhance your cleaning routine. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, the K60 aims to offer an efficient cleaning solution for various pool types. At first glance, the K60 stands out with its sleek and modern aesthetic, hinting at the advanced technology housed within. This robotic pool cleaner is engineered for a cordless operation, providing the freedom to navigate your pool without the constraints of tangled cords. It operates on a powerful battery that delivers up to 360 minutes of runtime, which is particularly advantageous for larger pools or multiple cleaning sessions. One of the prominent features of the K60 is its advanced navigation system. Utilizing intelligent sensors, it can effectively map out the contours of your pool, ensuring comprehensive coverage while avoiding obstacles. This feature minimizes the likelihood of the unit getting stuck, a common concern with many robotic cleaners. Additionally, the K60 is equipped with powerful suction capabilities designed to pick up debris ranging from fine dirt to larger leaves, contributing to a cleaner and clearer swimming environment. In terms of usability, the K60 is designed for ease of operation. It includes a user-friendly interface that allows for straightforward setup and programming, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly tech-savvy. The unit is lightweight, ensuring that moving it from storage to the pool is manageable. Once placed in the water, it starts its cleaning cycle automatically, allowing users to engage in other activities while the K60 takes care of the pool. For maintenance, the K60 features an easy-to-clean filter system that can be removed and rinsed, promoting longevity and efficient operation. This attention to maintenance simplifies the overall experience and helps maintain the cleaner's performance over time. In conclusion, the 2025 upgrade iGarden Pool Cleaner K60 presents a thoughtful approach to pool cleaning, combining convenience with effective performance. Its cordless design, intelligent navigation, and ease of use make it a potential asset for pool owners looking to streamline their cleaning efforts. As with any robotic cleaner, individual experiences may vary based on pool size, shape, and personal cleaning preferences, but the K60 certainly offers a contemporary solution for modern pool maintenance.